There's one more application that we still have yet to cover that y'all mold a product for the exterior of a home.
Mm-hmm.
The scuppers.
The scuppers, yes. And how that came to being is I did a business trip in Santa Fe. This is when we were still living in the Lake Montezuma area. And went to some architects and they loved the product. And they said, you know what you should make, which is something really problematic here, are the scuppers. They call them canales in New Mexico, but they're the roof drains. And historically, they're plywood and metal.
Yeah, sheet metal.
Sheet metal. And, they're the ones that have the most problems because they're draining all the water off the flat roofs. And once they start decaying, the whole parapet becomes rotten and
the walls fill up with water. And
so I came home from the business trip and I bought one of them from Home Depot, one of the plywood one. I said, make this, Phil.
Yeah.
This is what they need there.
This is all true.
And so he went to it. He spent hours and did different prototypes and tried to figure out, what would work best. He decided to design it in a way where it wraps around the parapet, so it actually protects the whole parapet. And boy, they loved it when we came back. And so we designed them in contemporary styles with different colors, limestone, pewter, and
bronze.
Yeah. Sorry. And so they're smooth, so they go on the real chic,
Sure.
Contemporary homes, and they look really beautiful. And then we also have the traditional wood grain ones that they can have to go in some of the more rustic looking homes. And they just really took off in that area, and we ship them all over Arizona. A lot of commercial buildings use them too because they're large, and so that's
a lot of commercial buildings are flat roofs, so that they have scuppers where a lot of your pitched roofs wouldn't have anything like that without a flatter parapet.
And they can be adapted to downspout rain capture.
Yeah, they do that a lot now in Santa Fe.
They'll tell us the size of the hole, and we'll put that in the Canale so they could just fit their, the rain capture to that. And, we can
Store water,
customize them.